Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Chrome on your laptop. Sam provide full guide. So this is my Windows 11 version. Simply press on, then I'm get search option. Search to this option. I'm just search here. Press on enter. Then I'm get this interface. Just go to search option, search to google.com and press enter. I'm get this. Go to search again. Chrome browser. Okay, and showing it to first option. Click on and press on to download Chrome, and you can easily download this Chrome browser. Just press on to easily install this, and when it's 100%, then successfully install my Chrome browser. So that's it.